Morning everybody, this is Mike from my scroll room. Got a little unboxing today. Got ahead of myself and got out of the box already. What I have here is a Vivosun, or Vivosun, I call it Vivosun. It's a 6-inch exhaust fan they sent me. This fan is 120 volts. It has 395 CFM. Its amperage is 0.55 amps, so that's really good. 67 watts and 2,550 RPM. So those are pretty good speeds. That's pretty good CFM too. Real nice CFM. On it comes on a cord. It's got a dial. You can go from high to low, so it's adjustable. Came with the mounting bracket here. Now, what I'm going to do with this fan is I'm going to set this up as an intake fan. I'm not going to set it up as a discharge. It's like technically, a lot of people put the exhaust fans up they put the filter in the tent to exhaust the air out. What I'm going to do is I'm running CO2 in my tent. So I'm gonna bring fresh air in and give positive pressure in there to help that air flow and help that CO2 mix around the plants. Now also, let's set this aside. They sent me a nice big 6-inch Vivosun stainless steel carbon filter with Australian wool, sheepskin, or sheep wool, whatever it is. Got the cover on it. It's all stainless steel. Really nice. So this, and what I'll do is when I put it together, I'll show you. But basically, it's going to go like this. Just like that. This end, check. This end will attach to my tent and it'll blow in. So what I can do while we got you on here, we can get this put together. All I need is a little short piece of flex. Sometimes these can be a little tricky getting along there. Well, this is what to go on. Come on, baby. A lot of people, what they do is tape it on with aluminum duct tape. Which I may opt to do, but I'm pretty stubborn. Alright, I'll put you on pause right now just for a second. Okay, got her on there. Put it around, clamp around. All right, that was on. Now, go to the fan side. Alright, I put you on pause so I get that on there. Okay, got that on there. Now we just got to tighten her down. Okay. That's got it. Alright, so there we go. From a different angle. So what I'm going to do is, this will be outside the tent. This end here will be attached to ductwork going into the tent. So the air will be coming in, filtered through here into my tent, circulating through my tent, so I'll be circulating clean filtered air, and that in turn will help circulate my CO2 in the tent, and then out my other exhaust fan at the other end. So there's the whole setup. There's the Vivosun 6-inch exhaust fan. Really nice fan. So I'll put a link to their website on there. It's the filters Vivosun also. But once I get it hooked up, I'll show you what it looks like. And here's the dial control, speed control. So I'm gonna put you on pause. We're gonna get it hooked up to the fan, and I'll be back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Got it all hooked up. I can walk right by it. So there's what it looks like. I've got the fan off the floor with an old plastic screen from one of my 6-inch fans. So it's not sitting on the floor. Got the flex duct going from the filter to the fan. Fan's blowing into the tent through the black ductwork. That's the heavy duty ductwork. I've got it on low right now. So now the tent is pushing out on me. I'll come down. See how it's puffed out? See that? So I'm getting good positive air in there. That's going to help circulate the CO2. My other fan I got on auto, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it on low right now. So it's working as I wanted it to. It's really circulating that air good. So we're going to put this on manual. It's on, and I'm going to set it on 4. And when I put this on 4 on this 5x5 tent, it'll circulate the entire contents of the air once a minute. So every minute it'll be refreshed with clean air. So yes and no on the CO2, but I want to circulate it. The CO2 is still in the tent. I might cut this back to 2 a little bit later, but just by doing that, it's helped it a little bit on the positive pressure. So anyway, there you go. There's one way of using your Vivosun air filter. You don't always have to use it as up on top on a discharge like that. You can do it on an intake. And a lot of people have both, like me. They have one discharging, one intaking. So now all the air coming into my tent before was just coming in through that little 6-inch ductwork with no filter on it. So it's bringing in dust bunnies and whatever else. But now it's all going to be filtered air coming into the tent. So it'll be a clean environment. So that's it for the Vivosun. That's one way of using it. You can use it the other way. The standard way is the exhaust fan. I'm using it as an intake fan. So I'll try and put a link to their website. As soon as I get the proper link, I'll put it on there. So that's all from here. Please like, share, comment, ring the bell, subscribe. I can use more subscribers. I think I just went over 1,300, I believe. Once I get to 2,000, I'm giving away a Vivosun tent. So, and on 420, of course, we got the 420 giveaway, the Amazon 2x2 tent. The Amazon's giving away. All right, guys, take care. See you on the next video.